You want a revision of whole geography? Then after, according to this, I will make my slides. One of my pen drive
Yes, ma'am.
corrupted. Okay, fine. So we will do accordingly. But today we will start our class with agriculture. Okay. Why students are so late? After 9:10, I will lock the class. Nandita, how you will see screen sharing? यहाँ बैठो because जब बच्चे बैठ के नहीं दिखा इसको ऑपरेट करना है हाँ Okay, so first of all, let me know what's the meaning of agriculture. What you understand by this word, this term, agriculture. है ना? In a very junior class, we already read about this. That agriculture is made up of two words, agro and culture. Yes, agro and culture. What's the meaning of agro here? Soil. Culture means cultivation. Here soil means not कि वो खेत या मिट्टी है ऐसा नहीं है. Soil means all the things what we can cultivate. ठीक? It is known as agriculture. It is clear? Next. Click करना पड़ेगा. So in this chapter we are going to discuss about this thing, primary activity which produces primary, secondary and tertiary activities. Primary activities, the thing which we get from the natural resources like directly from the nature in the form of raw material. Yes, like agriculture, fishing, mining, forest, etc. These all are comes under what? Primary activities. And in a secondary activity, what is the secondary activity? For agriculture, we need not to learn about the secondary activity, but एक फ्लो में है इसलिए सेकेंडरी भी पढ़ लेते हैं हम लोग. ठीक है, सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटी उसी जो हमारा एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्शन है हमारा, उसको क्या करना है, जैसे हमको वीट या राइस मिला उसको कन्वर्ट करना है, किसमें फ्लोर में कन्वर्ट करना है, वो फ्लोर को बेकिंग में कन्वर्ट करना है. ये हो गया सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज. टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज, वो जो चीजें हमने बहुत अमाउंट में हमने फ्लोर बना लिया या ब्रेड बेक कर लिया, केक बेक कर लिया, उसको बेकरी तक पहुंचाना या कंज्यूमर्स तक पहुंचाना, दैट इज नोन एज टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज. ओके, हाँ. So no, this one. Look at here. Now it's your turn to say me what is agriculture. What is agriculture? An art of cultivation of soil, raising crops and rearing poultry and livestock. India is an agriculturally important country, largest sector producing around 28% of GDP, largest employer providing more than 60% of jobs from this agriculture. Besides food, it produces raw material for industries. Yes, like beside food, it produces raw material for industries. Name some. Iron. Agriculture.
Iron.
Agriculture. अरे एग्रीकल्चर से हमको टी, कॉफी, फ्लोर, बहुत सारी चीजें मिलती. राइस, बासमती राइस, दावत बासमती राइस, एमडीएच स्पाइसेस, एमडीएच मसाला, है ना, रेड लेबल, हाँ, एलोवेरा, बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी जो हमको क्या होती हैं, सीधे सीधे एग्रीकल्चर से मिलती हैं. सो नाउ व्हाट इज एग्रीकल्चर? इट इज क्लियर. Why agriculture is considered important in India? Because most of people, more than 50% people are dependent on agriculture. Okay. Name 3 crops that serves as a raw material for industries. Just we discuss this. Rice, tea, coffee, aloe vera, sugarcane, so many things are there. If you will see around yourself, you will find more than 25 things which are serves as a raw material for industries next. Okay. Now, agriculture over the year, an age-old economic activity. Since we are learning or since we are hearing about the cultivation or civilization, है ना, the basic thing or the most important thing or the means basic source of income या फिर जिंदगी जीने के लिए जो सबसे जरूरी चीज हम बोलते आ रहे हैं, that is agriculture. That's why it is written over there, an age-old economic activity. No doubt methods have changed. In a very early age, people were not knowing anything. They learned all the thing by the observation. उनको समझ में नहीं आता था कि हम भी ऐसा कर सकते. उनको लगा कि किसी पेड़ से फल पके, वो गिरे और वहां पे पौधे हो गए और सेम फल उसके अंदर आया, तो उनको लगा कि इस जगह पे ऐसा ही होता है. Then they supposed to move on. ऐसे करके एक तो उन्होंने पूरे वर्ल्ड को भी एक्सप्लोर किया, साथ ही साथ धीरे धीरे they learned agriculture. That's why methods have changed. Nowadays what is happening, the crops which are not related to the particular area, then after we are able to grow such crops in our areas, है ना, like apples, quinoa, it's a family of orange, है ना. All these are completely from very cold region, but nowadays we people are, हमारे इस मैदानी एरिया में हम लोग क्या हैं, we belongs to a plain areas, the central Indians. Yes or no? We are also able to now grow it. That's why it is written over, methods have changed. Just because of technology. जैसे जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी बढ़ते जाएगा, पता नहीं चांद पे भी खेती होने लग जाएगी, है ना. Then, depending upon the physical environment, agriculture mostly depend on the physical environment, topography of soil and climate. Just I told you, agriculture सबसे ज़्यादा depend करता है physical environment कि temperature कैसा है. Then topography means आपका land mass कैसा है, वहाँ की soil कैसी है ना. For India, for example, if you will take India, Maharashtra is famous for cotton. Why? Because availability of black soil and its climate, moderate climate. Technological know-how and socio-cultural practices. Technological know, just I gave an example of technology. हम अपनी टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से क्या कर सकते हैं, जो चीज हमारे एरिया में पॉसिबल नहीं है वो भी ग्रो कर सकते. ठीक है, क्वालिटी में फर्क तो आएगा, बट वी कैन डू दैट. Socio-cultural practice. This is also happened. How socio-culture? Now I want example from your side. Socio-culture practices. Yes, Latika. Socio-culture practices.
Socio-culture practices in agriculture, we can say that before there used to be hunter-gatherers, but now the agriculture is more civilized. So we can say that these are some of the practices that have evolved throughout the years.
Yes. Harshit? Harshit?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, give example of socio-culture.
Don't know, ma'am.
Socio-culture practices. Depending upon agriculture, depending upon socio-culture practices. How? Okay, take your time. Before ending the class, you will give me one example. Okay, next point is humans have been hunter-gatherers with a more nomadic lifestyle, moving in a tune with the changing seasons and cattle's migration pattern. ये example है social culture का. Today we use technologies, but it hasn't entirely abandoned early advancement. Next. So related questions are there. How have the practices of sourcing food, staying among humans. Name the factors influencing the changes in the agriculture. If you are able to take a screenshot of it, then try to solve this question. Okay. Next. Primitive subsistence farming. Now types of farming. Okay. Types of farming. Types of farming. Yes. Anyone can tell me types of farming? Actually, mainly farming is bifurcated in two parts. First is what?
Primitive subsistence
Primitive
farming.
subsistence farming.
Louder, beta, louder.
Ma'am, primitive subsistence farming.
Primitive is part of subsistence farming. Farming or the agriculture is divided in only two parts. First is subsistence farming and second is commercial farming. And rest of all other points are the sub-point of these topics. Subsistence farming, primitive subsistence farming. Primitive means what? What is the meaning of primitive?
Very old, first.
Yes.
Ancient.
Ancient, very old, प्राचीन या फिर from the beginning, है ना? For आदिवासी people we supposed to tell they are the primitives, है ना? Actually primitive का मतलब होता है जो शुरू से है. It involves clearing the plot of land by felling trees, burning the field, trees, mixing the ashes with soil and then growing crops. कौन सा farming है ये?
Primitive subsistence.
प्रिमिटिव सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग. झूम कल्टीवेशन याद आ रहा है कुछ? या बर्निंग, शिफ्टिंग, बहुत सारे नाम है ना. शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन, झूम कल्टीवेशन, बर्निंग कल्टीवेशन, ऑल दिस कल्टीवेशन आर सेम, है ना. इन दिस टाइप ऑफ कल्टीवेशन पीपल सपोज टू कट डाउन द ट्रीज और क्लीन द फॉरेस्ट, द स्मॉल पैचेस ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, then mix the ashes with the soil and then growing crops. After the soil loses its fertility, the land is abundant and the cultivators moves on to a new plot. That's why it is known as shifting cultivation, because farmers or the people supposed to move one place to another place. Practiced on a small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dowel and digging sticks and family members, community or the level. Depends upon monsoon only, soil's natural fertility and other environmental conditions. उनके पास कोई भी टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं होती थी. They supposed to do all the things by their own. That's why they completely depend on monsoon. उनको पता नहीं था कि artificial irrigation भी possible है. Crops like maize, yam, potatoes and cassava are grown on the cleared land. ठीक है. Names are slash and burn cultivation, shifting cultivation, zoom cultivation, है ना. These are the other name of primitive subsistence farming. Is it clear? Next. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is the advantages and disadvantages of zoom cultivation? Known by different names, different parts of the country. Zoom cultivation in North India eliminated weeds, insects and other germs affecting the soil. क्यों? क्योंकि पैचेस को वो लोग आग लगा देते थे, इसलिए ये सारी चीजें ऑटोमेटिकली खत्म हो जाती थी. Allows the nature to replenish soil fertility by natural process. Allow for farming in areas with the dense vegetation, low soil nutrients content, uncontrollable pests. Trees in the forest are cut. When soil fertility decreases, farmers shift and clear a fresh patch. Productivity is low, decreases soil infertility and leads to the soil erosion. Clear? Next. Now you can see here shifting cultivation across the globe. Take a screenshot of this slide. ठीक है, various names are given there. Milpa, Mexico, Central America. ठीक है, Congo, Venezuela, Roca in Brazil, Masola in Central Asia, Ladakh in Indonesia, Ray in Vietnam. In this way, so many things are there. In India also it is named various places in a various names. Bewar in Madhya Pradesh, Podu or Penda in Andhra Pradesh, Pamadabi, Kuman, Ring in Odisha, Kumari in Western Ghats. So take a screenshot of it. Yes, next. Related questions are there. For better practice, you need to solve all the question here. Next. Next. Okay. Now intensive. अभी हमने क्या पढ़ा? Primitive. Next is intensive subsistence agriculture. Second part of the subsistence is intensive subsistence agriculture. Farming practice in a place of high population pressure on land. ठीक है? It is labor intensive farming. मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोग यहाँ पे काम करते हैं instead of modern technologies. High doses of biochemical inputs and irrigation are used. Can you name some of the states of India where such farming is practiced? छत्तीसगढ़ itself. छत्तीसगढ़ में होता है इंटेंसिव सब्सिस्टेंस फार्मिंग. ठीक है, फैमिली के फैमिली सबके सब सुबह सुबह खेतों पे काम करने चले जाते हैं. ठीक है, छत्तीसगढ़, उड़ीसा, बिहार, झारखंड, these are the states where such farming is practiced. Okay, right of inheritance, leading of the division of land among successive generations has left land holding size uneconomical. Farmers continue to take maximum output from the limited land in the absence of alternative sources of livelihood. There is a enormous pressure on agricultural land. Food crops are generally grown through this method. फैमिली के फैमिली सब लगे हुए हैं काम करने में. ज्यादा से ज्यादा जो प्रोडक्शन होता है वो फैमिली यूज के लिए काम आता है. अगर बच गया तो वो मार्केट में सेल करते हैं. अदरवाइज उस साल भर के लिए अपने घरों के लिए अनाज इकट्ठा करने के काम आता है. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Please continue. Next, commercial farming. Next is commercial farming. Subsistence के दो पार्ट हमने पढ़े, primitive and intensive. Now commercial farming, as per its name, जहाँ पे भी commerce word आया, but means it is related to the directly related to wealth, है ना? जो पैसे कमाने के उद्देश्य से किया जाता है, that is known as commercial farming. Use of higher doses of modern inputs, modern technologies, harvester, thresher, tractor, और भी जो भी artificial irrigation and all. ठीक है? HYB seeds, chemical fertilizers, ये सारी चीजें इसमें यूज होती हैं. सबसे बड़ी चीज, the land mass in such type of commercial farming, people supposed to grow, cultivate in a huge amount of land. ठीक है? Degree of commercialization of agriculture varies from one region to another. Paddy is commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab. In Orissa is a subsistence crop. Yes. जो चीज कहीं पे कमर्शियल है तो कहीं पे सब्सिस्टेंस है. Next. Now plantation agriculture. Second of commercial farming का second part है हमारा plantation agriculture. Single crop is grown in a large area. ठीक है? Has the interference of agriculture in industries, cover large tracts of land, produce is used as a raw material, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. tea in Assam and North Bengal, coffee in Karnataka. As the production is mainly for market, हम सबको पता है commercial farming है, it means we need what? All the things we means the farmer are producing is for only for market. अपनी सेलिंग के लिए वो बनाया जा रहा है. Is it clear? Next. Cropping pattern. So is there any doubt here in our types of farming? Is there any doubt? All clear? Next, cropping pattern. How many cropping pattern are here in India?
Ma'am, 3.
3 types. Name them.
Rabi
Kharif,
crop,
Rabi and Zaid.
Sorry.
Ma'am, Rabi crop,
Kharif, Rabi and Zaid.
Yes.
Zaid.
Yes, Rabi, Kharif and Zaid. Yes, one by one explain Rabi, Kharif and Zaid.
Kharif crop is grown on the onset of monsoon and harvested
Yes, Kharif.
in September.
Kharif crops are those crops grown in the monsoon season in India. Usually they are cropped in the months of August to September and are later harvested in the months of October to December.
Yes. Now next Zaid.
Ma'am,
Zaid.
Zaid crop,
Yes.
Rabi. Ma'am, between Rabi and Kharif crop.
Example, watermelon, muskmelon.
Yes, Harshit.
Example, watermelon.
Kharif crop, rice, wheat. These are Kharif crops. Okay. Now. Yes. Zaid. Yes, beta, I am waiting for Zaid.
Ma'am, Zaid
Grown
crop
between
between
Rabi
Rabi
and
and
Kharif.
Yes, Shreyans.
Ma'am, Zaid crop sown between Rabi and Kharif seasons in March.
Okay.
Ma'am, example, muskmelon, watermelon, cucumber, etc.
Okay. So you can see here Rabi cropping season. Winter season is Rabi cropping season and harvesting is April to June. Grown in a north and northern west part of India, such as Punjab, Haryana, ठीक है, Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal and Uttar Pradesh are important for the production of wheat and other Rabi crops. Western disturbances helps in the successes of these successes of the Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and the part of Rajasthan and also been an important factor in growth of the above mentioned Rabi crops. Next. Kharif crop season. Crops are grown with the ones of monsoon harvested in September to October. Monsoon season में लगाया जाता है, September October में harvest किया जाता है. Paddy, maize, ज्वार, बाजरा, तुअर, अरहर, मूंग, उड़द, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean are the most important Kharif crops. Rice नहीं लिखा है ना? Rice, add rice here, there also. Yes, important rice growing origin in Assam, West Bengal, coastal region of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast, along with the Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Also in Punjab and Haryana. पंजाब एंड हरियाणा में बहुत कम अमाउंट में राइस लगाया जाता है. Yes, next. Now Zaid crop. The Zaid is a cropping season in between the Rabi and Kharif. विंटर और मॉनसून के बीच का जो समय होता है, कौन सा समय होता है? समर होता है सीधा सीधा. वो समय क्या होता है? Zaid crop का समय होता है. ठीक है? It is the shortest season during the summer months. Some of the crops during Zaid are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crop. Sugarcane takes almost a year to grow. Next. So cropping pattern is clear to all of you? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Now the major crops of India. Major crop first paddy. Look at here. Needed temperature is 22 to 32 degrees Celsius. Rainfall near about 150 to 300 centimeter. These are needed. Paddy is the staple food crop in India. What is the common name of paddy? Paddy को किस नाम से जानते हैं हम लोग?
Rice.
Yes. अच्छा 8th क्लास के बच्चे ने पूछा था what is paddy में? Paddy is the staple food crop in India, second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a kharif crop, requires higher temperature above 25 degrees Celsius, high humidity, annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. Grown in the plains of north and northeast India, eastern India, coastal areas and the deltaic regions. Why in the deltaic region? Because mostly after sowing the seeds, it needs all the time the plot should be full of the water. With the help of canals, irrigation and tube wells, growing paddy has become possible in Punjab, Haryana and Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of even Rajasthan. It's a big thing कि राजस्थान में भी राइस उगाया जा रहा है. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं कि राजस्थान का बहुत बड़ा पार्ट क्या है? डेजर्ट है, जिसकी वजह से जो पार्ट डेजर्ट नहीं है वहां भी पानी की कमी होती है. Lack of water is there. Lacking of water is there. Yes, next. Next is wheat. The most important thing need to remember is temperature and waterfall and soil. किसी भी हमको अगर क्रॉप के बारे में लर्न करना है, ये तीन चीजें लर्न करो. टेम्परेचर कितना चाहिए, वाटरफॉल कितना चाहिए, सॉइल कैसा होना चाहिए. और ज्यादा याद करना है तो कौन से रीजन में होता है. मोस्टली ऑल द मेजर क्रॉप्स ग्रोन इन ऑल पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. अगर आपको टॉप मोस्ट नहीं पूछा जा रहा तो जितने भी मेजर क्रॉप्स हैं, वीट, पैडी, मेज, ज्वार, बाजरा, इंडिया की सभी जगह पे होता है. थोड़ा थोड़ा तो होता है पर होता है. जब राजस्थान में राइस हो सकता है तो कहीं भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. Okay, so for wheat, temperature needed 13 degrees centigrade to 14 degrees centigrade. उगाने से लेकर के हार्वेस्टिंग तक इतना वेरिएशन होना चाहिए. 13 डिग्री से शुरू करके 24 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड तक. रेनफॉल बहुत कम चाहिए, 90 सेंटीमीटर. सेकेंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्रॉप ऑफ इंडिया. Principal food in North India and northwestern part of the country. Yes, it is the most important thing कि पंजाब, हरियाणा, उत्तर प्रदेश जितने भी हमारे नॉर्थ से लेके नॉर्थ वेस्ट एरिया है, सबके सबके डिपेंड होते हैं इसी के ऊपर. A rabi crop requires a cool growing season and a bright sunshine at the time of ripening. Requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall, evenly distributed over the growing season. Two wheat growing zones in India. The Ganga Satluj plain. Ganga Satluj जहाँ है मतलब ऊपर पंजाब की तरफ. The Ganga Satluj plain in the northern west and the black soil region in the Deccan. कौन सा एरिया है? डेक्कन में ब्लैक सोइल कौन सा एरिया है?
कर्नाटका.
महाराष्ट्र.
इंडिया का डेक्कन एरिया कौन सा एरिया है? ब्लैक सॉइल वाला एरिया.
महाराष्ट्र.
यस, महाराष्ट्र वाला एरिया है. ओके. The major wheat producing state are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, parts of Madhya Pradesh. Yes, next. Then next is millet. Temperature needed 30 degrees Celsius. Rainfall 50 to 100 centimeter. ठीक है. Grows well on sandy soils and shallow black soil. Regions are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. It is the third important cereal crop of India. Next. Next is maize. Crop is used both as food and fodder. It is a kharif crop which requires temperature between 21 degree to 27 degrees Celsius. Grows well in old alluvial soil. State like Bihar. Maize is grown in a Rabi season also. Use of modern inputs such as HYB seeds, fertilizers and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. Major maize producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Beta, these things are very important. If I'm not telling about the descriptive questions, but in the map one it could be asked. So learn it. Okay. आज के लिए इतना करें कि कंटिन्यू करते रहें.
Ma'am, continue.
Continue. Okay, next. Now pulses.
No, मैं छूट गया.
Maize हो गया ना बेटा? We just told. Now pulses. ये hide करो. Yes. Is it visible properly? This map is visible properly?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see here pulses area, है ना? Later on when we will practice for of map, I will show this map in whole screen. Pulses. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the grown in all three seasons. Major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. तुअर, जिसको हम लोग मेजरली अरहर कहते हैं, है ना? उड़द, मूंग, मसूर, peas and gram are the pulses grown in India. खरीफ, अरहर, उड़द, मूंग, कुल्थी. रबी, lentil, pea और क्या है? केसरी दाल, राजमा. समर में कौन कौन सा होता है? ब्लैक ग्राम्स एंड काउपी. Pulses needs less moisture and can survive in a dry condition. Except arhar, all pulses help in restoring soil fertility by nitrogen forming air. ये पढ़े होंगे आप लोग साइंस में, है ना? क्या बोलते हैं उसको? राइजोबियम. Just because of राइजोबियम ये क्या करते हैं? सॉइल में नाइट्रोजन की जो अमाउंट है उसको क्या करते हैं? उसको बैलेंस करके रखते हैं. Mostly grown in rotation with other crops. Major pulses producing state in India are MP, UP, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. So for today this much only, because class is going to be over. We are showing 5 minutes, but we have only 2 minutes in our hand. Hopefully all the things are clear up to here to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Out? Is there any
Yes, ma'am.
topic?
No,
Harshit?
ma'am.
Yes, Harshit?
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So in next class we will continue with the same chapter. Then after we will start chapter 1. Fine?
Thank you, ma'am.
Good day, ma'am.